Thank you so much for joining today's live. It's nice to have you here. We're going to get right to it. We're not going to waste any time this period. So um, let's get right to it. Okay. So we're going to start with the setup for today. And we're going to click on this. So let's. So the chart that we're going to be using is the candlestick charts, and the time frame is going to be 1 minute. Basically, so we'll enable this timer here. Hey Maron, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. I will disable this auto scroll thing. You get this. Guys, thank you so much for joining. Please go ahead and like the video immediately as you join. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Just like the video immediately. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. I really appreciate that. So we're going to be using the flag mode here. You know, this is regular mode and this is the flag mode. So we'll use this flag mode. We'll click M1. We'll make sure this second hand, we'll make sure it's on 0. It's very important that it's on 0. And we will load an amount, you know, that kind of makes sense for the market. Basically. So that's going to be all our setup. We can go with the sellers here after this candle closes, because we have a level here. So we'll take this trade now. I'm going to take one more above the round number. Oh, come on. It was lingering up here, so I was expecting the sellers to push the market down, but no problem. We have a morning star pattern here. I was expecting a kind of gap up, you know, over this round number here, but that did not work. Let me check the lower time frame. I think we might have a very good trade here. Let me check the lower time frame. Okay, we have a supply here. Let me take one more. For some reason, the buttons are not responding well. Okay, it's going to be a losing trade actually. Because in a way though, I think the network has been acting up lately. So I've been trying to see if I can. You know, get a stable network, but that's the reason why I was a little bit late into this session, because I was trying to find a very good network, but the network is just not very, very stable. Ofejiro Gudu, thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you guys here. Thank you very much for joining today's live. It's amazing. Thank you very much. I hope you guys are feeling great today. You can go ahead and like the video, please. I really appreciate if you can like the video immediately you join. Please like the video so that the rest of our friends can be notified. Okay, so please go ahead and like the video. I would really appreciate that. If you are using your phone, just double tap the screen. Basically, we may have a very good opportunity down here. You know, this place may be a very good touch breakout. We have first touch high, second touch higher high. If price comes down into this level and breaks it, that would be a very good opportunity. You can see we have the level here. So first touch high, second touch higher high. If price comes down into this and breaks this level or close inside this zone, we can go with the buyers. So thank you for joining. Hey Mojid, how are you? Hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. Yeah, you missed the previous session of today. I know you were not aware that we had a session. So there was a session we had today. Guys, please let's go ahead and like the video. Thank you very much for doing that. You understand? If you are using your phone, just double tap your screen. You understand? Yes, if you are using your phone, just double tap your screen. It's really amazing. Now, also, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Um, if you are a first timer here, or um you are yet to, like, you will really want to, you would like to learn about binary options trading, now just give me the next, if you can just hold on for the next 3 minutes, I'll give you all the details you need to know about, getting started with pocket option, no, with binary options trading. So if you want to learn trading and you are yet to understand what exactly is happening, you want to know how you can go about it, don't worry, I'll give you all the details. I need you to do is just hang in there for the next 3 minutes. Okay, just 3 minutes and we'll get right to it. It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. um Thank you very much. I couldn't read, I think this Mandarin or a kind of Chinese language. Thank you so much for joining us. I really appreciate. But I'm so sorry I couldn't read that. I would have read your name out loud. But thank you very much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. Thank you very much for joining. Oh, does it mean Chachun? It's Softeria. It's nice to have you here. Oh, it means Choco Son. Wow. Okay. It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. Thank you very much for joining, Subteria. It's nice to have you here. Yes, Key Step, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. Yes, guys, please go ahead and like the video. I really appreciate that. Please go ahead and let's like the video in masses. You understand? So that the rest of our friends can be notified. You understand? So I'm going to be I'm looking for a very good trade that we all can learn from today. Thank you, Subteria. It's nice to have you here. I'm glad you're really liking the videos. Uh it's actually taking a whole lot from me, but I'm liking the way you guys like it. And if you're really enjoying this video, you understand, one thing I will always say is, if you're enjoying the video, go ahead and support the channel. I would love to do more of these kind of videos for you guys. You understand? But sometimes the time and effort, the energy, it takes a whole lot of energy. You understand? To be able to like consistently push out videos like this. Trust me, it's not an easy thing. You understand? So if you really want us to continue like this, just go ahead and support the channel. You understand? You can make use of the super thanks, the super chats, or the super stickers. Yeah, Subteria, thank you so much for the emojis. Yeah, Mber Barek. Thank you so much for joining. Sorry, I couldn't read that last message. That last comment you sent. Please resend it. You understand? Yes. Uh. Hey, Darren Brown, Bauman. It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. Thank you very much. It's nice to have you here. So let's look for a very, very good trade. Guys, please go ahead and like the live. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Let's look for a very beautiful trade. You understand? We have a supply here where we have sellers. You can see there's a supply up here. We have a lot of sellers there. So if price comes back here, we can have some very good opportunity. You understand? To take some very good trades. You get. But we just need to check the market for. I should keep an eye on this market basically. Let me keep an eye on this market. I'll check the rest of the market here. Um, Alika Anthony, thank you so much. Yes, you can use this. You can use the strategy on crypto also, But you see, with crypto, there's a little bit of complexity. You understand? You cannot trade crypto the same way you trade a binary option. Now, the principles are the same. The charts are almost the same. The challenge with crypto is that when you are trading anything apart from OTC, there's one layer of worry you need to have. There's this thing called fundamental analysis. So when you're trading stocks, when you're trading currency pairs in the real market, you need to worry about news. You understand? Because anything that is human activity, fundamental analysis is very, very important. Bilal, Bilal Harad, thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. Thank you very much for joining. So, the technical analysis aspect is there, but you understand. We also need to understand that there is a fundamental analysis also. You understand, and that fundamental analysis can affect your market. For example, if a particular company is about to, if a particular company is about to a gift, right? Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. France FX, it's nice to have you here. Thank you very much for joining. Yeah, I really appreciate you guys for joining tonight's session. You understand? The network was a little bit bad at some point, so I was already thinking maybe I should not go with the maybe I should not do the live, but I really wanted to do it because I knew that a lot of you would be aware, like you'll be awake, for this live session. I didn't want to disappoint you, so I had to do it. Now, let's quickly address all the beginners in the house. You understand? We have a lot of beginners in the house, people who want to learn more about pocket option. So let me quickly address all of you quickly. Now, if you're a beginner in the house and you would like to get started with pocket option, with binary option, the first thing you need to do is to subscribe to this channel. So do it right away, right now. Yes, subscribe to this channel right now, because this is where you get the authentic binary options trading information. You understand? When I started, I didn't have any information like this. Trust me, when I was a novice, I didn't know Jack, and I couldn't find very, very solid information on internet. You get, even on YouTube, I couldn't find. I hope you're okay. I live in a okay. Have between okay. It's possible. Sorry, I couldn't read every. That message was too long for me to read. You understand? Anytime you want to send a message, you need to make it brief, very short. You understand? Because this message sometimes like just stays there for 2 seconds. There's no way to read all that message very fast like that. I know some people are very fast readers, but I'm not that kind of person. Yes, I can read the market very fast, but not those words in 2 seconds. You get it, just. But no worries. If you can send me a dot, let me quickly try and read that message. So if you're a beginner here, the first thing I want you to do basically is to subscribe to this channel. Now, if you don't have an account, there's a registration link in the description below. Just click that description and you'll see where to register. Just click on that broker link. There's a registration link that goes directly to the broker in the description. Just click on that broker link and it will take you straight to this platform where we are currently. So when you get to the platform, register with your email and do your verification. It's very important that you do the verification. You see, once you are done here, come back to this channel. I have something for all the beginners. It's a playlist. I have a playlist. Go to the playlist section of this video and you will see a playlist called binary options for beginners. Yes, it's very important. Binary option for beginners. Yeah, sorry, I'm a little tired. So all you need to do is to click the playlist and watch all the 16 videos inside that playlist. Now, once you watch the videos, the next setup or the next playlist you should watch, you understand? The next playlist you should watch is the next playlist you should watch is the this thing, what they call it, is the live trade session playlist. You understand? You need to watch that. It's very, very important. You understand? To watch the live trade session playlist. Now, you see, this live trade session playlist is my own personal trading. You understand? From my own from my real account actually. So you can always go there and watch. Yes, watch all the videos there. I have about maybe 100 videos there. I can't even remember how long, how much, but just watch the videos, and that's where you will be able to learn all the strategies, all the concepts that I'm teaching here in this life. Every strategy I'm applying here, you'll be able to learn it over there. You understand? Yes, that's the best way. Now, another thing is that I want to go with the buyers after this, but I'm not going immediately. I'll be waiting for margin of safety down here. You see, we have a. I'll be waiting for price to come. Okay, we have a gap down. Let me go with the buyers. But if price comes down here, I'm gonna go crazy on the market. We also have a round number inside this entry. So this is a beautiful trade. Now there's one more group of people I would like to address quickly, and these are a group of people that want. Are you trading session? Yes, I have my live session in the playlist. You can watch it. It's called Live Trade Session. You understand? That's where like my real account trades. If you want to watch them, that is inside that playlist. You understand? Just go there, look for live trade sessions, and watch every. You can watch all the videos. All the videos are my own personal trades, and I explain all the trades. I explain all the strategy, everything. I explain it in details. You understand? So it's very, very important if you want to really learn this strategy and all. You understand? To learn from that video. You understand? So it's very important to learn from there. You understand? Now, so there are some of some people I want to quickly address, and these are the ones and the people that I feel like going with the buyers. Oh, come on. Okay, I can take this straight here. We have a gap down in favor of the buyers, and we have a market sequence of two green candles, then red. So we may have two green candles, then we have a red after it. So I'm expecting this to be if this is a Marabozu candle, if this is an exhaustion candle, we can go with the sellers after this. So I'm waiting for price to come close up here. Yes, I'm still on the announcement. I just want to quickly take this. Okay, we can go with the sellers here. If it goes above that round number, I'll take one more. Okay, the network is a little bit. Oh, I missed that comment. Okay, let me read the comment quickly. LPS, thank you so much for joining. Ramin, thank you so much for joining. Yes, it's nice to have you here. Thank you very much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. So you can see we have this market sequence of two green candles, then red, two green candles, red, two green candles, red. So I'm expecting a red candle here. We have a gap up. You understand? We have a gap up here. So I'm expecting the sellers to come in to at least to give us a very a pullback. You understand? That's why I'm taking multiple trades over there. So I'm expecting let me see. Okay, fine. That's a very good one. Okay, that's a very good one. I was expecting the now let me explain this trade quickly. Yeah, I'm still doing the announcement, but when you see some opportunities, they are good, they are too good to pass. Now look at this. We have a market sequence of two green candles, then red. Then you have another two green candles red again. Look at this, two green candles red. Then we have two green candles red, and we've been having that market sequence repeat itself. So immediately we have these two green candles, and we have a gap up. That gap up was our confirmation to go with the sellers. But also, you see, we have a common point of rejection here on this seller's entry. You can see. So that's why I had to take these multiple trades here. You get the gist. We have a third breakout down here. If price closed under here, we're going to go with the buyers. You understand? I'm going with the buyers over here. We have a thought breakout. Sorry, I couldn't read your message right now. I'm concentrating on the markets. It's anytime I'm trying to like take a trade, it's very difficult for me to like take a trade and read the market at the same time. You understand? So I hope you understand. Now you can resend your message. Now anytime you see that I didn't read your message, you can resend it or just send me a dot so that I can read the message under. I'm expecting the buyers to come in here because we have this area is a demand area down here. We have evening star pattern, and we have an exhaustion candle. We have thought breakouts. You understand? So I'm expecting a green candle here. Hey, thank you so much, Ramin. Emmy, thank you so much for joining. It's nice to have you here. Hope you're feeling great today. You understand? Let's see. I'm really expecting a green candle here. So let's see what happens. I don't like it when the market just freezes like this. Zachary, thank you so much for joining. Okay. Okay, you know what? Let's go with the buyers again. I'm still expecting the buyers to come in, unless maybe we'll have what they call it, a liquidity sweep to the downside. But this thought breakout was a very good trade. You understand? Even though we lost the trade, it's still a good trade. We have another demand area down here. I'm expecting a green candle here because of the tension created by this previous candle. I'm expecting the buyers to be able to respond to the market. So let's see how that goes. I really don't like it when market freezes like this. It's very annoying. We have a gap down also in favor of the buyers. So I'm expecting the green candle to happen. Yes, Zachary, thank you so much for joining. Uh, my Chinese friend, thank you very much for joining. Sorry, I couldn't read your name. You understand? Yes. Okay, that's a very beautiful trade. You understand? 1, 2, 3, 4. In a way, we're able to like okay, we're able to recover the that trade. It's nice to have you here. Thank you. Trading about 50 up down. I don't know what devil kind of name is that, but it's nice to have you here. Thank you very much for joining. Now, there may be some of you that I'm sure there are some of you that are interested. Divine, thank you so much. Aliyu, I couldn't read that last name. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Now, I know there are some of you who would want me to teach you personally. So if you are interested in me teaching you personally, like mentoring you personally, you understand, all you need to do is to join the Barter-Pro mentorship. Now, the link to join the Barter-Pro mentorship is in the description below. Just click the description. If you don't know what the description is, let's go with the sellers here. I'm expecting a pullback over here. You understand? So okay, cool. Phone Lama. I couldn't read his name. Stephen, thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. So if you would like me to train you personally, all you need to do is to join the Barter-Pro mentorship. Now, the link to join the Barter-Pro mentorship is in the description below. You understand? So go ahead and click the Telegram channel link in the description below and send me a message. Just click that Telegram channel link and send me a message on Telegram that you would like to join the Barter-Pro mentorship. You understand? Stephen, thank you so much for joining. Everybody, we have Gem World in the Divine. Thank you so much for joining. Yes, everyone, we have Gem World in the house. Yes, it's in the description. The description bill. Okay, if you don't know where the description is, if you are using your phone, just long press on your phone and the description menu will come out. Now, you can also find the description in this. There's a menu at the top right hand corner of your screen. Click that menu right there and you will be able to see the description. Click on description, then you will see the link. It's a Telegram channel link. It's there. Just click the Telegram channel link. It will send you straight into the Telegram channel. Thank you so much, MP Boss. It's nice to have you here. Hope you're feeling great today. Thank you very much. It's nice to have you here. So that's how it is basically. Now I've taken some trades and I've not really explained any of the trades. So let me quickly explain these trades here. You see, we have this better. You're for okay, Kenya. That's nice. Can you ask what time you live? Now for now it's midnight in Nigeria basically. So that's the time. Uh, I really don't have a target. Actually, I've normally if I was trading my live account, I would have just stopped right now because once you make about 75% of your balance, you're good to go. You can just stop the session right there. But I'm going to continue the session because of you guys. So my time is not up yet, so it's not a problem. I can still go with the sellers after this trade. If we have these sellers break this doji, or you know what? On a second note, I'm not taking the trade. You understand? We are making higher lows. That's a sign that buyers are in the market. You understand? And they may start pushing the price up actually. So we're making higher lows. Now I can take this trade if it comes under this round number. I can go with the buyers. Oh, come on, we have a gap up. I can't take this trade. I was planning to go with the buyers before, but gap up is in the favor of the sellers, so I can't take that trade. You understand? Um, what time is your option trading? How many? It's 1 minute actually. It's a 1 minute time frame. So we are trading the 1 minute time frame, and we're also trading 1 minute trade time. You understand? And we are currently using the flag mode. You understand? So the reason why we're using the flag mode is so that when the candle closes, our trade will also close. I can still go with the buyers after this. So if I have a gap down, I'll take the trade. We have about 15 seconds left for this candle to close. You understand? So we can still take the trade. Let's see. Okay, fine. We can still take the trade now. I really want to have a gap down, but no, I'm still going with the buyers anyways. Now, somebody will be wondering, why did you go with the buyers? I'll tell you quickly. You see, that price, the previous candle closed inside a demand area. We have a demand area down here. You understand? And that's not the only thing, actually. You see this whole area also a demand area. But the reason why I actually took the trade is because this candle closed on a round number. Look at this, and it opened on a round number 2.07600. You see, when you're planning to go with the buyers and all of a sudden your price closes on a round number, you should take the trade. You understand? You're most likely going to win the trade. It's as simple as that. You understand? So look at this now. We're going to win this trade. So it makes so much sense. Let's just see. Okay, that's a beautiful one. You understand? So that's how it is. And you remember initially we're already making lower highs. So that tells you that there are buyers in the market, basically. You understand? Um, so if you would like me to take you personally, we may have a total breakout here. If price comes to this level, this might be a beautiful total breakout for us. You understand? So let me mark this level. This level is very big, but we're going to mark it. Yes, Zachariah, thank you so much for joining. It's nice to have you here. Hope you're feeling great today. Thank you very much for joining. Okay, MNJ19, thank you so much. Yes, I am trading the demo. I'm using the demo to explain the strategies. You understand? I'm currently teaching right now. If we have a gap down, we can go with the buyers here. Can we have a gap down? No gap down. I still want to go with the buyers actually because we're making some higher lows. And it's a sign that the buyers are in the market. Yes. Kid kids tube 01234. Thank you so much for joining. Sorry if I butchered that name. I couldn't actually read the name properly. But thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. Yes, thank you very much. Oh, how can I chat in private with you? All you need to do is to check the description in the description. You see a Telegram channel link. And so click the Telegram channel and send me a message on Telegram. You understand? So when you get to Telegram, all you need to do, there's a tag called at Barter-Pro, at Barter-Pro a mentorship at Barter-Pro mentorship. That's a tag. So click on that tag and send me a message. Okay. No, just click on the menu click on the. Do you work? No, I don't work on Cortex. It's only Pocket Option. Now, if you get to the link to the Telegram channel is in the description. You understand? The link to the Telegram channel is in the description. If you want to know where your description is at the top right hand corner. Just click this menu here. There's a menu button here. You will see the description inside the menu. So click the description and click the Telegram channel link. You can send me a message directly on Telegram, and I'll be there to answer you. Actually, right after this class, now I'm going to go there to answer your messages. So for anyone who wants to join the Barter-Pro mentorship, just send me a message and I'll give you all the details you need. You understand? Danny1271, thank you so much for joining. I hope you're feeling great today. Please, guys, go ahead and like the video. I really appreciate that you like the video. Please, let's like this video massively. You understand? There's so much value on this channel right now. Oh, did I miss this trade? I think I missed it. I'm actually praying for a red candle, but we have a gap down already. Oh, this would have been a very beautiful total breakout for me. It would have been a beautiful total breakout. You understand? But no problem. Oh, okay, fine. We can go with the buyers now. But you see, we have to be careful because we're having gap down and the sellers are coming in. Yeah, Dayo, thank you so much for joining. It's nice to have you here. Bitoye, I like that name. Thank you very much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. Your name sounds like all those posh Yoruba people's names. Okay, we can take this trade right now. Let me read your. Oh, I missed that. Please send me a dot. I was trying to take this trade, so I missed that. What they call it. That comment. Okay, I'm going to take this trade also. I'm expecting a pullback. I'm expecting the market to give us a green candle actually. So let's see how it happens. In the next 30 seconds, let's see what happens. I'm expecting a green candle. We have third breakout. We have common point of rejection. We have a crazy round number here with 3 zeros. Everything screams that the buyers are going to come in. But, it's under probability. So let's see how the probability plays out. Okay, good. That's what I was expecting, actually. Everything screams that the buyers are going to come in. So, yes, that's a beautiful one. That's a beautiful one. Now, let me explain this trade for anybody who doesn't understand. You see, let me start from the third breakouts because it's very, very important that you understand what's going on. Which trend line are you using? It's the same normal trend line. Yes, yeah, that's liquidity sweep. You're very correct. Now, let me show you this. Let me show you this quickly. Now, I may not be able to attend to your comments. Just hold on until I'm done with this explanation. You see, we have this level here. There's a level here. But I always tell you that market moves in how many times sometimes twice a day, sometimes once, depending on how busy I am. Now, look at this. Let me mark this. We have a zone here. This is a level, actually. You understand? This area is a very good level. You understand, in the markets. Now I've marked this level before now, and look at this. Look at this. You can see I marked. These are the two levels I marked. This particular. You see this particular line here. So I marked this level here. Now, when you have a level like this, you understand. You have first touch. This on this level now. We have the first touch. Let me mark it. We have first touch. Then on the same level, we have second touch. You can see. So that's the strategy. It's called a third breakout. We have high here. So we have first touch. We have high. You understand? We have first touch, we have high, we have second touch, then we have higher high. Look at this. This is a higher high. Now, if price comes back into this level, gamers, thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. Now, if price comes into this level for the third time and breaks it, we will call it the third breakout. Let me clear this so that you can see clearly. So this is going to be third breakout. You can see the third is breaking this level. Now, anytime you have this kind of setup, you can go with buyers. First touch high, second touch higher high. Price comes into that level. Now, I'm anticipating to go with the buyers. But look at this. There's a whole lot of things. There's a whole lot of reasons why I took this trade. Another reason why I took the trade is because of this thing called gap. You see, here now we have a gap. It's a gap down. I've talked about gap downs and gaps already. You understand? In a very in several videos, I've talked about gap down. You understand? Now, you see, when you have a gap down, it's in favor of the buyers. You understand? That's the second reason. Now, the third reason why I took this trade, is because we have this fifth candle theory. The fifth candle theory states that when you have 1, 2, 3, 4 like candles going in successions like this, there's every tendency that the fifth candle will be a divergence. It means it will be an opposite candle. So look at this. You have 1, then this second candle, you have 2, you understand? You have 3, this third candle, you understand? This is the fourth. This is going to be our fourth candle. You understand? And this is our fifth candle. You can see this is going to be our fifth candle here. Oh, wait. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. No, I think I marked this 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is going to be our fifth candle. That fifth candle, the one I'm marking is wrong. This is the fifth candle right here. This particular one will be our fifth candle. Yes. So you can see now. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth candle is the divergence. But you see now, that's not all. There's more to the story. You see, inside here, let me clear this. Let me clear all this. I'm trying to clear. Okay. You see, there's more to the story. You see, down here, we have a common point of rejection. Look at this. These are all points of rejection. Rejection, 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 rejection. You understand? You can see all the points of rejection here. We have another rejection here. If price breaks the rejection point, there's every tendency, if you take a trade down here, you go with the buyers. So we have confluence of strategies, you understand, on this trade. That's why I disregard the momentum, because you see, based on the momentum, we shouldn't win this trade. You understand? But we have confluence of three good strategies. The first one is the first one is the third breakout. Second one is the fifth candle theory. The third one is common point of rejection trade. You understand? And we have confirmations like gap down. You understand? So this is a very beautiful trade. This particular trade is an amazing trade. And you see all the strategies, I teach it in my mentorship called the Barter-Pro mentorship. So if you would like to join the Barter-Pro mentorship, all you need to do is to join. Just click the Telegram channel link in the description and send me a message. You understand? Click the Telegram channel link in the description and send me a message. You understand? And I'll give you all the details for the Barter-Pro mentorship, how much it's going to cost, what the schedule will be like, everything. You'll get it. It's as simple as that, basically. You understand? Let me see if I'm not sure I'm going to be able to stay long in the market today. I'm really feeling very sleepy, but I had to show up for you guys. But let's see if we can take one more trade, then we can call it a day. You understand? Let's see if we can take one more trade. If price still comes down into this common point of rejection, I may consider taking one more trade here. You understand? So I'm going to be reducing my risk amount now by half. Or you know what? Let me half it once again. Okay. It looks like Morningstar. Uh, then we buy. Yes, we have a Morningstar pattern there. Uh, no, if you have a Morningstar pattern, you should be expecting a red candle after it, not a what they call it, not a buy, not the bias candle actually. But let's look for, we can look for another good, very good trade. Let's check the markets here. Let's check for very good markets. Oh, I thought the sellers were going to push the price back here, but no problem. Hey Sam, One Pro, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. Thank you so much, guys. It's nice to have you here. We have this gap up, and I feel like going with the sellers. So let me take one small trade. You understand? The only reason why I have a few reasons actually. We have a gap up. Yes, it's a huge gap up. That's good. And we have a Morningstar pattern. We're expecting a red candle, but you see this gap up is a very good one actually. Please sweep to 15 minutes. Okay, I don't understand what you mean by sweep to 15 minutes. I usually don't just change my setup actually. I maintain the setup the way it is. That was a beautiful trade, but I reduced the amount because one is one thing I normally do. Anytime you are in profit and you've made a substantial amount and you still choose to continue trading, it might be a good time to reduce the amount you have in the market. You get the gist. Okay, you want to see the big picture. Okay, that's what you mean. Okay, are you able to see it now? Yeah, we seem to have this place seems to be a base. You see, we have a rally, then we have a base. So I think we'll probably just have another rally. But that might take a while. You understand? That might take a while. Okay. Okay. Let's check for a very good market. Let's see. This is a very huge. This is a huge QM. Obviously, M3 will not work for this confirmation. Either M5 or M10. But I'll check M3. Oh, can you imagine? We have M3 confirmation. Okay, this is beautiful. Let's go straight. Let's go and find entries. We have an entry inside the QM shoulder. I don't want to take the entry inside the QM shoulder. I want us to take a very beautiful trade because for us to have found an M3 entry, that's like a miracle. Looks like a buy. Applying your strategy. Yeah, it's going to be a sell when price comes here. I'll show you. Immediately price comes into this level, it's going to be a sell. We're going to go with the sellers inside here. But you know what? Let's check M10 also. S10, I mean. Okay, we have an entry here. Okay, what's the meaning of QM, right? I've forgotten the name. Mahmoud Hossein, thank you so much for joining. MFM thank you so much for joining. It's nice to have you here. So QM is actually a strategy that it's one of those strategies I trade a lot, but I've forgotten the full meaning of that QM. About I don't know what you mean by about, but okay, we have some entries up here. Let's mark the entries. So I'm waiting for price to come into all these three entries. We will have an opportunity if price comes in here. Now the best entry is actually the one at the top here. Why? Because we have a round number 1.27 thousand. That makes this entry above here very strong. Yeah, I'm going to take a trade if price comes there. I don't know what you mean by about. Can you explain what you mean by about? I really don't understand the meaning of about. So we can keep an eye on this market. Let's check the rest of the market. We don't have opportunity here. Yes, guys, thanks so much for liking the video. Please go ahead, if you are here to like the video, go ahead and like it. And if you are here to subscribe, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel right now. There's so much value on this channel, guys. There's so much value, trust me. There's so much value on this channel. If the knowledge on this channel alone can can just be the difference between you becoming something amazing. I'm telling you, you can make a whole lot of money if you really understand and you take your time to learn. You understand? Because that's what hey, Richo Ola, thank you so much for joining. It's nice to have you here. Hope you're feeling great today. You understand? Thank you very much for joining. Okay. Oh, where's that market? Let me look for that QM trade, because this is a very good opportunity too. But you know what? Okay, I'll keep an eye on the two markets. This could be a very good seller's candle, but you know what? I have to wait for. Hey, Salu, thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. We have to wait for entry here. Okay. Okay, we can't take the trade again yet. We have to wait. I was gonna go with the sellers, but I can't take the trade again. If this candle had closed above this round number, I would have gone with the sellers, because I'm expecting this is also a seller's candle. It's also a seller's area up here, so I'm expecting the sellers to be able to come in over here, but no problem. Now we can have a total breakout down here. If price comes to this area, it's going to be a total breakout for us. You can see now that same strategy keeps popping up every now and then. That's why you need to learn the concepts, understand the strategies, and before you know it, you'll be fine. I think I should go with the sellers here. If I have a gap up, no, I can't go with the sellers. No problem. Please master on only one strategy and respect it. Yes, you can master just one strategy. Actually, it's very possible to master just one strategy. But I would advise you, instead of mastering just one strategy, all you need to do is to actually learn the building blocks, the concepts. You understand? If you understand the concepts, I'm going to go with the sellers. If price comes up here, MFM. What app are you using? It's called it's not an app actually. It's called Pocket Option, and it's not an app. It's a platform. The link to the platform is in the description below. You understand? It's in the description actually. So I want you to click on the link in the description. I'm taking this trade because, oh, come on. Okay, you know what? I'll go with the sellers here. You see, this doji actually can give us red green pattern, and we already have a green here. We have a red, we have a green. We may have another red come after it. You understand? So is I can anticipate this red green pattern because of this doji here. In fact, let me mark the doji. But I'm trying to see, I want to take more trades on this particular trade with these sellers if the market gives me the opportunity. Okay. Oh, come on. I wanted to take that trade above, but if we have a very strong red candle, that would be nice. So this is going to be the doji range, and you can see from that doji range now we're having this red green pattern. Now it doesn't mean when you see a doji you automatically just begin to go red green pattern. No, it doesn't work that way, guys. But there are certain signs you are going to be looking for in the market, and once you see it, look and see we have a gap up right now in favor of the sellers. We should not take this trade. You understand? So don't say because you see a doji you want to start taking red green pattern. Now a doji, okay, let me show you what a doji is quickly. This is, you see this candle that looks like a cross, it's called a doji candle. Now if you're a beginner here and you would like to learn how to get started with binary options, first thing I want to ask, go ahead and subscribe to this channel now. As the hot, subscribe to the channel right now. That, yes, that's the first thing. Now the second thing you need to do is, if you don't have an account, there's a registration link in the description. Click on it and it will take you to the platform where you will register. You get the gist. Yes, you should take it into context. Yes, you're very correct. So you understand. You're welcome. It's my pleasure actually. So what you need to do, what you need to do is to click that registration link and register with your email. You understand? It's very important that you register with your email. Yeah, it's my pleasure. It's my pleasure always. So once you register and you verify your account, the next thing you need to do right now is to come to this channel, go to the playlist section and look for the playlist called binary option for beginners. That's where you get the foundational knowledge. I have 16 videos there. Watch all the 16 videos. You understand? And um now if you're a seasoned trader and you want to like brush up on your strategies, you want to learn more about how you just watch the playlist called live trade sessions. These are my own personal live trades. You understand? So go ahead and watch those. It's very important that you watch it. You understand? Very, very important, guys. Watch it. You get all the knowledge you need. Now there's this set of third set of people I want to talk about. If you want me to teach you one-on-one, like you want me to guide you through the mentorship, you know, I have a mentorship called Barter-Pro mentorship. The link to join the mentorship is the Telegram channel link. Just click in the description. Just click the Telegram channel link in the description and send me a message on Telegram. You understand? When you get the Telegram, just click on that tag called at Barter Pro Mentorship at Barter Pro Mentorship. Just click on it. You understand? And it will bring you straight. It will bring you straight to my chat room where you can just mention I want to join Barter Pro Mentorship. I'll give you all the details. I'll tell you how much it's going to cost, and I'm going to tell you what the schedule will be like, you know, what the lectures is going to be like. Everything is going to, I'm going to give it to you. You understand? Guys, I have to go early today because I'm feeling very sleepy. You understand? But thank you so much for joining, guys. I really appreciate you guys. um I will hang around in the Telegram channel maybe for like the next 5-10 minutes before I actually just decide to like just relax. So thank you so much for joining. I really appreciate. Hope you guys are feeling great today. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Yeah, you're welcome, Mujid. It's my pleasure. Yes, you're welcome. It's my pleasure. Zachary, yes, you're welcome. Thank you so much for joining. I really appreciate. Guys, go ahead and like the video. If you are here to like the video, this is the time to like it. Alan, Alan Ma, 9578. Thank you so much for joining. I really appreciate. Yes, I really appreciate you guys coming. Yeah, thank you very much. Yes, I'll see you in the next one. Yes, guys, go ahead and subscribe if you have not subscribed already. Thank you so much. Yes, guys, Gemod is in the house. Gemod is one of our OGs. Yes, you can send me a message on Telegram and I would reply you almost immediately. As soon as I see your message, I'll reply you. Yeah, Gemword is the OG of this channel. So thank you, Gemword, for joining. She's always supporting us. I'm so grateful for you. Thank you very much for joining today. Oh wow. It's Abdullah. Thanks so much for joining. It's nice to please go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already. Like the video if you haven't liked it yet. You understand? I'm going to see all of you in the next one. By God's grace, in the next few hours, I'll put the I'll put the announcement in the Telegram channel, or when next I'll be coming back. Okay. So all right, thank you very much. I really appreciate. Yes, definitely. Milad, Momon, thank you very much.